Hey, good morning, everyone. This is David Trades. I saw David with David Trades 385. I don't know why my Alexa's going off. It's recording everything I say. But today is November 7th, Tuesday, November 7th, election day. Let me share my screen with you guys because I'm not even sure that I am gonna play today. Let me share my screen real quick. I had an idea, and then we completely fell from that idea. Right now we in the 71, so it's 171.89 at the moment. I was looking at this valued area here, which I have marked on my 1 minute chart here. Let me, there we go. I like it at 10. Here, I had it here. So if we pop into this area, then I'm definitely looking to sell. Okay, it looked like we're trying to go back up because we fell a lot. We can see whatever is being said in this meeting had dropped the market pretty heavy in pre-market. I mean, we came into the valued area at 858, and then we just fell from there. And now we're looking to possibly rotate back up. So if we rotate into this area, then I'm looking to sell. For a minute, I'm thinking, nah, I think I'm not gonna touch it today. But we may rotate back in here where I have a valued area from yesterday, roughly 172.53 to 172.23. I have 172.39 and 172.43. Those are some big sell orders that are in the footprint right now. There's 206,000 lots that was printed yesterday at 12:22, and it's 205 lots that was printed yesterday at 12:25. So those are these two areas right here inside the value area. We're not that far away from the value area. So if we trade into it, then I'll be looking to sell. But right before I started recording, we had a huge fall that made me think, I don't know if I want to touch it today. Okay, so we have Vice Chair, Fed Vice Chair Barr speaking at the moment. So that's what happened. So whatever he said, I guess the market didn't like. Then we got Powell opening remarks at 9:15, and then he actually speaks at 2, which I don't think is supposed to be that significant. They were saying, but anything he says is can move the market. So I only have one marker on up and ready. That's the 172 puts that's coming into this area. I honestly not feeling it. And it's a little high. I mean, it's 98 cent times $198 per contract. So we got 10 minutes until cash open. To be honest with y'all, I'm not sure if I'm feeling it. Now, again, if we come into this area, then I'll be looking, because the only area that I have is down here where the market was at value low, 171.82. So that was value low of yesterday. Oh, sorry, not 172, 171, 171.82 or 78 to 38. So, just see what happens. Like I said, if we rotate up into here and we see volume is actually, getting smaller, getting a value high here on the volume side, then it may be a go. I'm not liking the prices right now, but that can change at cash open. I mean, we got 9 minutes until cash open, so that all can change. If we rotate back up into here, then I'll be looking to sell again. That's in this value area here. And it's actually kind of a wide value area. It actually goes all the way up to 172. I think I got 172, 55, 54. So it's actually covering 8 and 9. You can see on the market profile, it's covering 8 and 9 because they're both equal. If I zoom into it, Uh, you can see it's all, even though that has 9, it does have 9. But this is actually an 8 coverage. So they're both 8. That's kind of equal. So I got it wide, that wide. Now we may not go up that high, but and we have actual point of control around 172.36. So we're actually point of control right here with some big orders right above that. So we shall see, man. Again, I'm not playing anything until we get into this value area. If we don't even touch it and fall, then we just don't play. I'm not feeling it for a lot of reasons. Again, price is too high, but that will change at cash open. So I'm not really that concerned. Tomorrow it's looks like we have the 8th. So tomorrow is the expiration date. There's no expiration dates for today. So it may not drop that far. We are at 98 right now. Expirations tomorrow. It may not be that far off as far as price. Again, if we're at the hundreds, then I'm not touching it. Or the dollar range, I should say. We're at the dollar range, I'm not gonna touch it. And again, if we don't even get to that value area, I'm not even dealing with it. I want to see at least get to the value area within this area here. Preferably want to come into these big order areas. We got 7 minutes. I can show y'all where the orders are. I wrote it down. It was at 12:25 and 12:22. See if I can make this a little bigger. So 12:25. You can see it's 201, 206 minimum. There's a change. It was 206, now it's 209, unless I wrote it down wrong. So they're definitely building up their orders here. 201 there at 22. Yeah, so it's a little, it's changing a little bit, but they're building it up. This is a stacked imbalance, which is only 11,000. You got 121 and 33,000 there. You have 209 with 1,000. So they're building up their orders here. Got a little 13 there, a little 56 there. 55. You do have 100 order there, 100,000, but it didn't go anywhere, right? It didn't go anywhere. Price didn't go anywhere when they did that. You have a limit order there of 30,000. Just sitting in the queue. So yeah, even though they had that 100,000, it didn't go anywhere, and they gave up on it. So yeah, if price doesn't come into this value area, I'm good. Again, we have that 30,000 limit order, and it looked like it was hit. Yeah, it was hit. It was hit here, and you can see it didn't go anywhere. 100,000 was hit, didn't go anywhere. Yeah, and we're right now at the 71s, 71.82 at the moment. I'm thinking I don't play. I mean, you do have this. Oh, this is a limit order here for sell, and that was triggered. I think I'm good today, man. We have a limit order that was hit 417 that was hit and didn't go anywhere. Oh, actually, it ran up a little bit. I feel like I'm going with my gut here and just not play. I just don't like the movement. You can see, well, let me move it to a 5 minute. You probably can see it better on the 5. Hopefully you can see if it'll let me show. Not really. It's not really showing that well. I wanted to show y'all that the wild swings, and it's not really showing that well there. Let's see in the 30. Pre-market, here we go. There's some wild swings going on, right? 4 o'clock in the morning till now 9:27. There's been some wild swings. So I'm not, it's too emotional. Too emotional. We're not even close to a valued area right now. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna watch it until 10 o'clock. But if we don't come into here, then I'm not my day. It's not a day for me. Now we may run. I think we will probably run up a little bit, only because we had this value low from yesterday. So we may go up a little bit here. How far we go up is, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. And I wasn't able to really find any big orders down here. Uh, with 2 minutes left. Let's see. I am a sell bias today, so that's probably why I didn't really look. 171, 72. So we're in here, and that could have been taken out. And I don't know if I can look that far back. Can I look that far back? Yeah, I can. Okay, let's see if there's any buy orders here. While we got a minute left. I'm not gonna rush it. So if I don't find anything, I'm not even gonna play. I wasn't even looking this far down, if I'm being honest with y'all. So any run ups I won't play because I'm not prepared for it. But I don't see any limit orders. I don't see anything up there in that area. There's a limit order there. All right, hold on. Still don't think I want to play it though. There's a limit order here that's 255. And 127, another 127 limit order, another 127 limit order there. It's just sitting in queue. Oh, we got 27 minutes left. 27 seconds. All right, let's just see where it goes. If it goes down there, then we can probably catch it, but that was a 71, 72. Let's see. And that's high too. So ain't no plans to do that. All right, let's see. One second left. Let's go. Market open. It hit it. There's the limit order right there I was talking about. I don't like it that tight. There's a big 157,000 lot there. I'm not feeling it. I don't even have a marker up for that. For the 71s, actually. Today may not be a no day. It did hit that area. It's starting to buy up. So that was a buy area for sure. How long that lasts. You can see that limit order, that 100,000 we saw it went away. We got 176 right there. I'm not feeling it. I think I'm gonna pass. If we get into here, maybe I'll call on the 72, but there's a hit. Is it going anywhere though? No. Yeah, today, I just wasn't feeling it. These wild moves are just crazy. Crazy, crazy. See, it hit that limit order. But it's trying to react up too. Mark said nope. I'm gonna relax on this one. I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling today at all. Look at this. This is a profile of nothing. That's how wild this movement is. Look at it. There's a valued area, but we're down here to low. There's a low, so that buy may be the right move. I'm just not feeling it today, though. Here's the right price. We're at a low. We're at a low. Yeah. The whole market is low. Oh, it's high. I mean, sorry, it's high. Yeah, we're dropping. This is out of bed type of thing. I didn't see any area I want to play in. It did show kind of a trend down, but stacked here. Yeah, just I'm not feeling it. I ain't have 171s queued up either, so this could be looking to run. I mean, there are buyers stopping here or coming in. Mm-mm-mm. This could be a trap here. At the moment, I am not feeling it too tough, but if we come back in here, maybe. It's just a lot of swinging going on. Too emotional for my blood. All right. There, yeah, there's no real activity. Profile is not even really showing. It's all even. I'm thinking maybe taking out stops here, but to the upside. Yeah, 62. So 72 calls are 64 cents. And when we fell so far, I don't see any kind of reaction up as of at the moment. The buyers are definitely stepping in. Is it are they stepping into the point where I want to play it? That's the question. Or not. This is a very emotional market. Put the controls right there. See, the buyers want to come in, but the sellers are too strong. The sellers are way too strong here. Oh, sellers are way too strong. They're fighting though. We got an area of low volume down here. Um, let's try it. 75. Let's try it. Let's try it. Why not? 68. I'm gonna take a small. If we do get up there, buyers are stepping in. Kind of, sort of, trying to. They trying to. It just doesn't seem like they got a lot of momentum. All right, 68 right now. I think I'm gonna take a small one if it does go up there. If we can get some more pushing from the buyers, I'm gonna take a small loss on this one. I'm gonna take a 10-cent loss because I don't think we're making a move up. Yeah, this ain't it right here. This ain't it. This ain't it. Yeah, it ain't working today. The sellers are too in control here. Yeah, too in control. Mm-mm-mm. The sellers are too in control. I mean, I said the buyers. The sellers are too in control. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Why are not taking me out though? Why am I still in a trade if I got my stop at 78? What is going on here? What's happening? It's still, I'm gonna say, why am I still in the trade? There we go. Yeah, I took a little small 10 center. That didn't work at all. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on, man. Today is not the day. Emotional movements. We are falling. Good God Almighty. We are falling. 70s. Mm-mm. Oh, 50, okay. 55, that's why. Yeah, I took a small $11 loss on that one. Per contract. Mm-mm-mm. It's charts. There we go. Mm. There is nothing there. 72. Oh, 72, that's why. We at the 70s. Hmm. Too expensive. 72s, that's too expensive. That's too expensive. Ugh. They are falling like crazy today. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing to brag about here. Mm-mm. Man, we're at a value low. I don't know if that means anything, but they want to come in. It's just not coming in. They want to. They want to. Today is not the day. All right, I'm about to log off because ain't nothing happening on my end. Nothing's happening on my end. I'm gonna call it a day. 53. We may get some kind of push up there. 71s. Okay. 71.20. That's a long way up there. Nope. Sellers are coming back down. All right. Well, this is the end of my day. Ain't nothing happening at all. The sellers are trying to. I mean, the buyers are trying to. I'm sorry. I keep saying sellers. They're trying to push up, but not really nothing's happening. They're trying to push up at least some kind of area up in here, maybe. There's low volume, so maybe up in here, it may push more. You don't have much of a profile either. You don't have much of a profile to go off. That's 26. Can we make it up to 60 at least? Can we make it up there? Okay. 58. Shoot. They don't want to give you that, do it. That's 50. Give me 60. There we go. All right. So I got some of my money back. Took a little small loss. I took a with okay, with commissions, took a $5 loss. I went from 150 to $5. So wasn't my day. I was looking for that push up here because we were coming into this low value here, and you can see that that didn't last long. Um, going against the market, but I was able to make some of it back. Excuse me. All right, that worked. That was uh that was a headache. That was a bit of a headache there. Nothing to brag on. I took a small loss and turned it to an even smaller loss. So can't really complain. And really I shouldn't have played to be honest with you. But you can't really fight profile. Profile came into that here into this area here, which is back here, and made his move. The buyers did come in here, and it could have been something down here that made the buyers come in, but it was a little small wave up. I cut it from. I'm glad I cut it at 10 instead of letting it run down to 20. Otherwise, it would have been a bigger loss. But $5, and that's all really commission. So not the best day. and it looked like there was a bit of retracement. There was no big sell orders here either. Looking for what I should have been looking for was absorption. It may not give you that. If it come back into this, because there's no big sell orders down here, right? There's no big sell orders in there. I was looking for some absorption here. The market didn't absorb anything. So this run may continue on. I may have cut it too short. Did I cut it too short? I think I cut it too short. Could have came out with some kind of profit, maybe. But we do have low value here. So this could be just a pullback back down. But you're looking like it just may be that. Yeah, because there's no absorption here. There's no big orders that didn't move anywhere. There's a big order here that didn't go anywhere. So that was basically absorption. Why didn't I play that? Why didn't I think of that? I didn't think of that at the time. I did not think of that being an absorption order. How we ran through it, came back to it. I could have caught that continuation down. Yeah, I could have caught that continuation down, at least for the short period of time. But I did catch this low value area, um, low value area here. So it was I caught the retracement. Mm, 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 mm. Not my best trade day. My head was not on straight. My head was not on straight. I was thinking I really wanted this to be the area because this is where the bigger orders were. And we came into it pre-market and then fell. And I was sell bias. That should have been the clue, but I didn't like it. I did not like it. I did not like it at the time. That should have been my clue. Now that I'm looking back on it, I should have played the downside immediately. Yep, that was absorption right there. All right. I mean, at least I was smart enough to cut it shorter than it could have been for the second play to pretty much break even with the two plays. That's commission of $5 and some change. That's actually a commission of so I'm eating a commission $4, exactly $4. Yeah, you can see it comes into it, but it's not going nowhere. That was the what was it, 200,000? I can't remember what it was up here. The buying, but we're not doing anything at the moment. You know, if we rotate out of it, then it's respecting it. But if we just stay in this general area, that's absorption. All right. I can't really complain. I mean, it wasn't my best trading day at all, but I walked away with $4 loss. Basically, that was commission. Yeah, we trade out of this, then that's definitely because it looks like it's absorbing that as well to the downside. Some limit orders down here. Two was only 100 though. Mm. Did you turn that into a buy order? Mm. Maybe I'm missing something. I think I may have missed something. Yeah, they took the aided. They took it and aided. If it ain't because there's low volume up here, you can see right there. The market itself is low. I wonder if I missed something down here. The reason why I caught this to the upside, I could have got a 20 cent out of it, but that still didn't like it. I wonder what's down here. Did I miss something down here? 70s, 170s. What's down here? What is this? Is that what that was? Friday 9:30. Friday 9:30. 170s. There's nothing up there. Oh, it's later today. That's why. That is at the end of the day. I can actually do it. Take me there. I'm not sure what's happening right now, but it's not allowing me to go over there. 160, it's 169. There we go. That's here. 169. Did I miss that? I may have missed that. And that's, I mean, I made it as far as like catching it to break even, but the reason for it, I didn't see it. And let's go back to today and see what happened. Because right now we're buying up. I don't think we went, no, we didn't go that far. 167, 170, 58 is where we was at. There's a volume profile in 71 on this date. Um, I think I just missed the Y. I mean, I caught the opportunity, but missed the Y from the 19th. Let's see. It's 12. I'm curious. Did I miss the Y here? That's 16. It didn't go that far. I'm about to cut this short because I gotta log into work. But I just wanted to see, did I catch? Did I miss the? Okay, you got big stacks here. Why are we not? There we go. No, this was in this area, but we came further than that. Yeah, I don't see the Y here. Well, I'm sorry, maybe I'm missing something. Hold on. How far did we come down? We came down at what point before we traced? 170 60s, 170 58. Okay. 60s. Was it in this area? I can't see the Y here. Maybe I'm missing something in this area. That's a 246,000 order there, but that's on the eight. That's 7018. Yeah, I don't see the Y here. Why did we? Other than the fact that they just took out stops, and that's kind of where I'm starting to lead towards. I'm thinking they just took out stops here. That's a limit order there. This is 20s, so we didn't even get that far down there. There's a, oh, did I miss that? 720. Can I move? No. 723,000. Now, was that touched though? I think, no, it wasn't touched. Let's see, it's 2 o'clock. That's the reason. That's the reason. I didn't even see that. So I made my money. I broke even without really knowing the reason. That's pure luck. That's pure luck. Other than just seeing the price action with volume. Yeah, it didn't even touch it until today. We get down to today and let's see how far we came into that. Like within pennies. We came all the way down to 57. It was 53, unless my marker's wrong. And you can see low volume there. That's what I was looking at to buy. So I caught the buy here. And then we came into that buy. And now, yep, I definitely could have made my 20 cent. So I could have made 10 cent, literally 10 cent. Okay. Well, not the best trading. That did not perform well at all on today. I took a loss, a 10 cent loss. Smart for me because I chopped it in half. Normally I'm a 20 cent guy, but I chopped it in half and I made it a 10 cent loss. And then my second play, I was able to get that money back and I had to eat the commission. So I ended up losing $4 total today. And that's basically my commission for both plays. If I would have stayed into it, I definitely would have been up right now. But hey, sometimes you play, sometimes you get in your own way sometimes. I definitely did not see down here. I didn't even look down there. So that's on me. All right, guys, let me cut this short because I gotta go. But again, any questions you have, always hit me up. I show the good and the bad. I show when I win and I show when I lose. And this is one of those days where I did not perform well. So you're gonna have those days. Anyway, all right, guys, have a good one. I'll talk to y'all soon. I'm curious to see what we do when we get up here. So I'm gonna be looking up here. I'm not gonna play anymore, but I'm curious to see what we do. All right, guys. Later. I would say later, but I can't. Oh, here we go. Later, guys.